Well, because our marketing team is sending out all of these great nurture campaigns, we have generated a number of inbound orders as a result. Unfortunately, one of the customers reports that their order was damaged. So as a sales rep that provides great customer service to my customers, I'm going to enter a new case to make sure that we can correct this damaged shipment for a customer that is very important to us. To do that, directly from my dashboard, I will use a brand new link tile to create a new case. On my case, I will add the contact of the individual I have on the phone, which is Amelia. Amelia Armstrong communicated that her shipment was damaged, so I'll go ahead and type that into our details, and I will save this case. I can also note which sales order perhaps it was related to. But I'm also going to assign this case as a high priority. As I mentioned, this is a customer that has been loyal to us for a very long time, so we want to ensure that they get the fastest resolution to their issue. Now, you'll notice on the right-hand side of my screen that we have added brand new functionality in Acumatica R2 to support integrations with Adobe PDF Annotator. What that means is I can attach a file. In this case, I'm going to attach a PDF of the golf driver schematic that we've been working with that happened to be damaged in this particular shipment. As I drag and drop that file into the record, I can click on my side panel, and with the integration with Adobe, we're able to annotate this PDF. I can see all of the different pieces of the driver, and Amelia reported that it was section 17 of her driver that was damaged, so I will make note of that. I can add text, I can add highlights, I can add drawings here if necessary, all directly within Acumatica. Now at this point, because we have added the PDF file to the case to indicate where the damage is, we've assigned the case as a high priority. All we need to do is make sure that this gets assigned to the correct individual for follow-up. To do that, I will apply assignment rules. These are automated rules based on the different details of the case that allow it to be assigned to the appropriate individual, which in this case is Regina Wiley. Let's take a look at how our support team can interact and follow up on this.
Here I am as a support manager, and I'm monitoring high priority cases that come in on my dashboard. I can see here I've got one about a damaged shipment. So I'm going to click here on the case ID and open that up. Now I notice, as Jessica mentioned, the case has been assigned to Regina Wiley. And using our new Microsoft Teams integration, I'm excited because I can immediately contact Regina and tell her to expedite this case using this Teams icon. When I click here, notice that I can do a bunch of things. I can create a chat, I can call her directly or schedule a meeting. In this case, I'm going to schedule a chat with her. When I click that button, it automatically opens my Teams application and I can type away. I tell her to look at this important case and send her the text. Now, Regina's probably scratching her head going, what important case is this guy talking about? Well, to make that process a little bit easier, notice there's an Acumatica button that appears down here. I can go ahead and click on that, and I can search for anything, opportunities, cases, and other objects in this search bar. As I search for those things, it will pull up a list, and I can click on it, and all the information immediately gets populated, as you can see here. Now Regina knows exactly what case I'm talking about. So Jessica, I think you're going to fill in as Regina today, right?
Yes, I am. As you can see within my Teams application, which is helping me communicate and collaborate with my team throughout the course of the day, I have received a new chat from my boss indicating that there is an important case to follow up on. I have a link directly to that case, which I will click, takes me into Acumatica, where you can see the power of this integration with Microsoft Teams. Thanks to the power of this integration with Microsoft Teams, Acumatica customers can now more effectively collaborate with their customers and internal and external stakeholders.